What's good with y'all? Long time no see. I've been on quite a hiatus, but this video is not really about that. It's kind of just spontaneous, getting in the car and driving. Going through some different back roads today, and just taking the vet out for a nice drive. Figured if I'm driving, I might as well record it. So here we are. Make sure I gotta get this angle right. That was fun. Hope this camera angle's coming out right. Cool. are about to throw me out the way, man. About to throw me off the road. Hopefully this air noise isn't, this wind noise isn't really disrupting this audio. Figured it might give a better sound to the car, but hopefully that's not really messing it up. But yeah, I think this is actually, yeah, I know where I'm at now. I'm at where I don't want to be at. So let me bust the UE. Get up out of here. See two sheriffs over in the corner. That's when you know you in the wrong place. Let me just bust this UE. Yep, nothing to see here. Bust my ass, back left. Drive casually. That was probably a C4 in that cover back there. Jesus Christ, these roads. Oh my Lord, Jesus Christ. We're low-key whipping it. I'm not going slow. If you do see me swerving, it's not because I can't drive. Low-key I can't, but it's because I'm trying to dodge these potholes. So bear with me. Like that, Jesus Christ. That is like one of the cons about Backroads. Some of the roads are just terrible, absolutely terrible. I mean, you get all this space to drive. I mean, considering this is a weekend and you got people out here, which isn't fun, but main point being that sometimes they're fun, sometimes they're not. This white person tries to cut me off. I'm for sure about to hit him because I'm going. Keep in mind, I'm no professional driver. I'm just a 20-year-old black kid who found the money to buy a Corvette. So my driving is that of a 20-year-old black kid. Nothing special about how I drive. So if you see things that I'm doing, it's like, damn, he's fucking his car up. Well, I can't help you there. I'm just enjoying the car as much as I'm trying to. Fun fact, I didn't get my license until 19 years old. So I've only been driving for a little, like, I think like 14 months. So, I've not been driving for that long story short. I'm still a new driver. Oh, he's downshifting wrong. You're not rev matching correctly. You're killing your clutch. You need to keep your arms loose, not firm. Shut the fuck up. Oh my lord. All this traffic. I don't really want this to be an overbearing video, and I feel like I've got a couple good pulls in. And I also just don't want to throw out all the roads that I'm going to be driving on out already. So what I'm going to think I'm going to do is bust this UE and basically just end it there. But I'll see you guys on a couple return routes back. The country, man. Second to third sits your ass back in the seat every time. This car's not even fast. All right, see if we can. Ooh, missed the gear, almost. Hands are sweaty. I'm starting to get hot. My car's starting to get hot. I'm starting to sweat. Working the city was not a good idea. Yeah, this was just really spontaneous thing. Just get out the house and drive. And I guess I figured if I'm driving, might as well record it. Haven't recorded a lot of things haven't recorded things in a while. Just been busy with school. That's not really an excuse, because if you really want to do something, you would do it. And you take my own advice. But I digress. I am just starting slowly again, starting to build up confidence to, you know, get back into recording videos constantly. So I'm gonna leave it at that. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Like I said, I just wanted to get out here, do something spontaneous. Haven't uploaded in a while. If you enjoyed, you know, enjoy. If you don't, also don't enjoy. If any feedback, of course, is always positive. Let me know what worked well, what didn't work well, the audio levels, camera levels, things of the sort. But appreciate everybody checking in, and see you on the next one.